Hello, good day once again, you guys, and welcome to Best Sport Views. In this preview section, I'm going to be concentrating on the Spanish La Liga. Barcelona will be hosting Elche this weekend. I think Barcelona will just find a way to pick up a maximum 3 point and keep a close touch to this Real Madrid side. Having lost 2-1 to Real Madrid in the Clasico last weekend, I think this weekend is an opportunity for them to pick up maximum 3 points. Uh, Juventus, I said, Real Madrid, on the other hand, has been doing very well this season. At times, the normal Real Madrid team, go see them really dominate match, but then go just find a way around it, maybe 3-1, 2-1, they'll just pick up that maximum 3 point. They continue like that, sure. You will not see a total dominance in the match, but they will pick up that maximum 3 points, which is a good one for them. I think the only shocking loss, I will not really say shocking loss anyway, was the one they had a 5-2 loss to Atletico Madrid. It's a very tight one, a big test for Xabi Alonso. He lost that match, but it was a good one for him that he picked up a maximum 3 points against Barcelona in his first a Clasico match as a coach, which is a good one. I think it will be the other way this season. Barcelona will be fighting Real Madrid for the title, not the other way around. For now, I think that is how it look like. And this Real Madrid side, it don't become like a Kylian Mbappe side, Then too, now Mbappe they run the show now, no be them Vinicius again, But I like the chemistry between the players because nobody like say the team no really affect the team that ego. No tutu they bring problem within them. I don't really know, but I know they say in the fit sha. And so in the weekend also Real Madrid will they play host to Valencia. Valencia now one team we don't pay for this Spanish La Liga, but they no really, I don't know whether na the board no they to spend more on the team also. They don't find a way to always stay around, at times they will qualify for Europa, then to don't win the league once I think sometimes they go under Rafael Benitez. But maybe na the board or the owners no really get money to spend to the compete to the likes of Barcelona and Real Madrid for this Spanish La Liga, or probably the likes of Atletico Madrid anyway. But I think over 90 minutes, Real Madrid will still put up better performance and they will pick up maximum 3 points. The fact saying at home, then they won't play safe again. It will give them a better edge. And Xabi Alonso and the guys, I think they don't steady the ship now. I think going forward, would see this kind of performance from them. But just like I said earlier on, it's more of a Real Madrid now we call them or Mbappe Real Madrid because now they run the show now. And just the fact that even last season the guy do very well because he scored a lot of goals. But generally, Real Madrid as a team, they no pick up any trophy last season, so we no go feel really say crowning effort that much. But I think individually as a player, he did very well last season, and he continued again this season. So for now, I think Real Madrid are in a better position to secure this La Liga title, except his team turn around and lose form also. But I don't see them doing that in the nearest future. So I think they'll pick up maximum 3 points against this Valencia side. Atletico Madrid again in the other hand, good one for them. They pick up maximum 3 points against Villarreal. I still expect them to still put up that kind of good performance over the weekend and also get maximum 3 points for their features. Atletico Sha, no matter what, I still they see say the trophy go just the change hand. The league title go the change hand between Barcelona and Real Madrid because this Atletico side, them two no start very well, but at least they okay now. So, but Barcelona and Real Madrid are still always the favorite to pick up that La Liga title. Once in a while, I think Atletico Madrid has gotten the better of those both of them, the better of the Barcelona and Real Madrid pick up the La Liga title, but it's not that frequent, The title keep changing hands between these two La Liga giants. So I think Atletico Madrid will just be there, making top four and maybe the Copa del Rey once in a while may also fall to their hand or the Spanish Super Cup. But for now, if Real Madrid no carry am, maybe in Barcelona. But Real Madrid look favorite this season. But I know Barcelona will still the very better side will still compete till the end. Uh, Real Betis go play Mallorca. Real Betis too, I think now one interesting side this season too. And they fifth position in the log. So I expect them to feel put up a better result and pick up maximum 3 points. At least maybe then go feel they look at Champions League or Europa qualification next season if they continue with this performance. One good team for this season for that Spanish La Liga na Villarreal. They have been doing very well this season. And I just think say they will also qualify for Champions League or Europa next season if they continue with this form. They and Barcelona just put 2 points separate them. But Real Madrid, they like I think 7 points away from Barcelona that in second position. But Real Betis, Villarreal on the other hand, they have been doing very well this season. I hope to see them continue with this performance and probably qualify for Champions League or Europa next season. So that's just my own preview of the La Liga match that will be played over the weekend. I expect Real Madrid, Barcelona to pick up maximum 3 points. Probably Atletico Madrid and even Villarreal to also pick up maximum 3 points over the weekend. Once again, I thank you guys for liking and sharing. You're welcome to Best Sport View. Thank you.